guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Tissot men's carson Quartz watch for unboxing. The watch has an outer cover depicting the various different brands available from Tissot. Let's go ahead and remove the outer cover. We are greeted with a nice black and red box with Tissot logo in front of the box open. The box contains a rather hidden area behind with manuals of the watch history and models. Finally, we are greeted with a watch, and I must say it's such a beautiful dress watch with Roman numerals of the watch indices. The watch has a tag attached which contains all details such as model and serial number. Turn over the watch and it has a QR code sticker placed at the back cover. I just can't help with the gleaming watch buckle with Tissot displayed. This is a 39mm watch and shall fit most wrists. The watch has a nice metallic silvery finish to it. Moving on to the interior of the box, and there are two clasps pointing upwards. I shall open both of the clasps. The right hand side contains a quick start guide on how to use the watch. The left hand side contains the 2-year warranty card, which I had a bit of trouble in taking out owing to the gloves I was wearing. Let's place both of those back into the clasps. That's all folks, thanks for watching. As always, like, share and subscribe to this channel.